IT student or a seasoned professional, these insights are your blueprint to becoming a technology-driven project manager.
Tools like Combat, Gravity.
Tool that I use, it's Node GPT.
Then we also use ProView.ai.
Then there is Monday.com.
The higher view symmetric.
I suggest FreePick.
Tool we use is Claude.
The biggest question in the IT sector right now isn't if AI will change your job, but it's how fast you can adapt. With so many tools out there, what's actually working in the high-stake environments? And to find that out, I went straight to the source. I interviewed head of departments across IT landscape, right from engineering to product delivery, to identify the AI tools that are actually moving the needle. Whether you're an IT student or a seasoned professional, these insights are your blueprint to becoming a technology-driven project manager. Let's hear what the industry leaders have to say. And without any further ado, let's dive in.
So in the operations department, we use AI features in Excel to sort, analyze and report data quickly and accurately. So work that earlier took a lot of manual effort is now completed much faster. For documentation and content, we use tools like Combat, Gravity to create reports, SOPs, and internal documentation in a clear and consistent way. These tools reduce manual work, help the team focus more on timely decisions and improving processes. Thank you.
I mean, AI is something which has been used nowadays very widely. Now, every process, every department should use AI, which I preferably use in my department based on marketing and operation. The first one is Comet, which is a system extension that you can use. It is a byproduct of Perplexity, which helps me with research and insights. Another tool that I use is Node GPT, which helps me to streamline my presentation development and also the product mind mapping, which is very important to showcase a product within the project management if you want to showcase to the stakeholders. The another one which I use, which is a very, very helpful tool, is a multi-GPT, which combines the output of Claude, Gemini, and ChatGPT and some other AI tools, which helps me to refine the content which I want to use for my presentation skills to the stakeholders. Now, these are all the tools which helps me out in terms of accuracy, speed, and strategic alignment for the products which I use in the marketing and operations.
So frankly, we use multiple tools, but to just list few of them, we use Gamma for creating structured and visually consistent presentation. It reduces the time spent on slide design, formatting, allowing the team to focus more on research-backed content and storytelling. It has significantly improved the turnaround time and standardization across texts. Then we also use ProView.ai for research and podcast. So for research work and podcast preparation, this tool helps us a lot by organizing research inputs, extracting relevant insights, streamlining the background preparation. This reduces manual research effort and enables faster movement from research to structured discussion and content.
Thank you so much for having me today. So in the corporate relations and even marketing team, we mainly use 3 tools. One is Apollo. It helps us identify the right corporate contacts and decision makers quickly, which really cut down our research time. Then there is Monday.com. We use it, plan events, manage timelines, track follow-ups. Having everything in one place makes coordination much smoother. And we also use Signal Hire to explore and connect with industry contacts, which really supports our outreach and partnership efforts. So overall, these tools help us work faster, stay organized, and collaborate better as a team. Thank you so much.
There are basically 3 tools that we use every time for the process optimization in the human resource department. The first one is the greenhouse lever, which we relatively use for scanning the resumes, shortlisting candidates, and ranking them according to their jobs and skills. The second one is the higher view Symmetrics, which is a platform where we scan the resumes, plus we shortlist them according to the jobs and skills of the requirements to a particular hiring. The last but not the least is the Paradox Olivia. The Paradox Olivia is basically used for answering the candidates' questions and scheduling their interviews for the further process. Thank you.
We use AI-assisted tools mainly to support ideation, creation, and faster execution. Two tools which I suggest: one is Google AI Studio, which helps our team to explore concept, layout, and content direction earlier, reducing back and forth in planning. The second one I suggest FreePic, support both stock and AI-generated visuals, offering consistent quality and better aligned assets. Overall, these tools save time, repetitive tasks, and allow us to focus more on creative refinements and quality. Thank you.
My team and I use two AI tools. The first tool is GitHub Copilot, and we use that tool for assistance. Actually, that tool suggests the codes which we run line by lines, and the second tool we use is Claude. We use that tool to understand the logic. Actually, if there is a code which is already written and we want to understand the logic of that code, then we use that code tools. So these tools helps us to work faster, reduce errors, and that's all. Thank you.